Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, so today hopefully we're going to make this a much shorter video than the last one. We're going to do a Dutch pour, but it's not going to be an ordinary Dutch pour. It's going to be a little elevated, shall we say. I'm going to use the acrylic paints mixed with the mica powders yet again. So you can see the colors here. We've got the mix of the ultramarine blue from Artist Loft with the grape purple, and we've come up with this color, and it is super gorgeous. So that's color number one. Set that over there. Okay, then we've got color number two. We've got the brilliant magenta with the tangerine, and it has given us this color, which is just gorgeous. Okay, color number three. We're going to use the medium yellow from Simply Acrylic, Daler Rowney, and the cactus. And we're using all Joyjoz Mica Powders with all transparent paints. So I'm going to pour the paint on there, and then I'm going to make sure you guys are in focus. And the paints are all mixed with some floetrol and some pouring medium, and that's it. I didn't even add any water to these. And I know you guys know that I don't care for pouring medium, but with the Dutch pours, I absolutely love the pouring medium. It keeps your painting from cracking, because sometimes there can be a lot of paint on there. So it definitely has kept my Dutch pours from cracking. And it gives sort of a smoother finish, if you will. Not shiny, but a tad less matte than using just floetrol. So we're going to use the orange as the base. This color is so pretty. I just cannot get over it. Okay, and then we're going to put a little bit of green down, I believe. We'll call this chartreuse because it is, if you like green, this is like the most gorgeous green you've ever seen. Alright, and then we're going to go for this beautiful sort of blue violet sort of color here, and I don't really know what I'm doing with these colors. We're just sort of, you know, placing them about, and I think we're going to go with a hint more orange, just because this orange is so beautiful. I'm hoping it's really going to show up, but as you can see, it looks like the mica powder mixture is sinking under the white. Okay, and I probably should put these paints over on the counter because the cups are so little. They're most likely going to end up getting blown over, and I'm going to lose all this gorgeous paint. Okay, and I did get a tip from somebody. Somebody said that maybe my blow dryer is a little too high, the pressure on it, so I did turn it down. I didn't realize, but I had it on turbo mode, so I turned it down a little bit. So we'll see. All right, I've got my hair dryer there. Let's add a little more white paint around. There we go. And we're going to blow it over. Alright, it's not as dense in color as I would have liked. And I'm trying to decide, do I want to do anything else to it? Maybe do a little, because that edge is too straight and that one's too straight. And this is pretty right here. Look at all the cells that are coming up through there. I'm not a huge fan of the cells in the in these pours, but I don't know, it's kind of cool looking. I want to say that's probably from the floetrol. I did use probably more than my normal ratio of floetrol. I really like that right there. I don't want to disturb that, but we got to get that line right there and that broken up. But I liked all that. I don't know. It looks like a ballerina's dress. You know, this is where the straps are, and it's just a ballerina dress set down there. Oh, let's get a straw in. See if we can break up that edge right there, because that's really bothering me. Oh. I don't know, I feel like maybe we should put a little more paint down. This is really pretty. The cells that have come up through there are so pretty. I just don't really know what to do with the rest of it, though. I really feel like it needs some more. Well, maybe we'll leave it. Air bubble right there. It was bothering me. I don't like the really straight lines. I really love that. That's really pretty. It's very delicate. I don't know. I mean, this is, I kind of feel like scraping off that part of it. Because that kind of, I don't know, it's kind of, doesn't look like it fits. But then there's might be too much white. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I'm trying to sort of cover up that. Yeah, it needs to go. Alright, let's fill that back in with a little bit of white. There we go. I kind of like that better. Alright, let's kind of move that so it looks like it belongs. Ever so delicately. Okay. That is a little better. Okay. You guys probably can't see it, but there's just a hint of green in there. And I'm just kind of, I'm trying to sort of make it blend a little better so that it looks like it's not, you know, like I didn't just pull paint off of the, there's so much paint there that it's allowing me to shove my finger up and through there and something is, I don't know what it is. I just needed something else right through there. Just need a little more activity. Trying to get some of that other color to come up through there. That looks kind of cool. I don't know. Here we go. It seems like it kind of sinks through that white. These cells are really pretty, so I kind of need to look at it from above where you guys are seeing it. I'm kind of liking it. I think we're going to leave it. It looks super pretty. So, yeah. We're going to leave that. Alright, let's take you down. Okay, so here you can see cells coming up. Super cool. And the blending of all those paints. That's where I kind of blew it out, but it created cells. But look at the colors. So pretty. And look at the cells on this side. Man, I love those. Those are cool. Because it's not too many. Sometimes you can have a bit of an overload of cells. Okay. And look how wispy that is through there. That's kind of cool. There's that top edge. Okay. I don't know how this is going to dry. I don't know if you're really going to be able to see the sort of mica powder shimmer with this. I'll show you guys when it's dry, whenever that is. It's got a lot of paint on there, so it's probably going to take a little while. But I really like this one. I'm starting to really enjoy these Dutch pours. They're just interesting to me. I love the way the colors blend because I like watercolors. And so they kind of remind me of watercolors. This, I don't know. I'm kind of falling in love with this one, guys. So I hope you guys are in love with this one too. Yeah, when it's dry, I'll show it to you. I want to thank all of my subscribers, all of my viewers. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, we do a lot of different stuff around here. So, check out some of my other videos. We do some fun stuff. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button on the videos. And if you guys would share, that would be completely awesome. And guys, again, if y'all would watch the ads, I get a little tiny bit of ad revenue. And that is going towards paying for my house. Hopefully we'll be able to get it before we lose it. So, thank you to all my recent donors to my channel. You guys' donations are what is keeping my channel alive. You guys are my little saviors all around the world. I love you guys so much. I hope wherever you're on the planet, you're having an awesome afternoon, day, evening, or night. And if you guys get a chance, check out my website. The link is below, as well as my PayPal link if you guys want to donate to my channel. The website's got a lot of new jewelry and stuff on it, and a lot of new paintings that have been needing to go up for a long time. So check those out. And if you have any questions or comments about anything, you guys can email me. You know that. The link is below to my email address as well. So there's your pretty for today. See you later. Bye.